All right, welcome to Low Gear. I'm the GOAT.
And I'm the Ninja.
We have the Ninja here for one of his many appearances.
Yes.
And you want to take this one?
All right, I'll start off. Today I'm assisting because I have a fridge here, as you can see. Beautiful fridge. And my fridge keeps things cold, as always. Beautiful fridge. But I have trouble getting my door to close on the side. So today,
we've asked
other members of Low Gear to assist me with fixing my fridge.
We've asked the Tinman to assist us with his '87 Jeep Cherokee. So we're also going to be seeing how well that one takes up.
Oh yeah, we're going to see the power behind this Jeep. Are you ready, Mr. Tinman?
I am ready.
All right, well, we'll get these doors in place here. And it's all you, buddy. Now let's watch this power in action.
I gotta go.
Note we have the doors lined up just right for the power of the Jeep to really be displayed with this. Hit it. Amazing! Also, one more thing about this fridge. I have to admit, this fridge is great. It was made by Kenmore. Kenmore! Kenmore! Yeah!
I think we need to tell Tinman to cut.
So hi, I'm the Tinman, and today on Low Gear, I just took out a fridge with my Jeep. And we didn't know how the durability of the Jeep would stand up. So now we're going to check out the bumper for any scratches.
Look at the power of the Jeep Cherokee! Is there any other new additional damage to the Jeep Cherokee? Note, the bumper still looks fairly intact here. Don't see any real issues. We already had the hanging wires before, so we did pretty good there. And all in all, we're gonna give the Jeep Cherokee a pretty high rating on this episode. What do you think?
I would say so.
Yeah?
Hey, head down, pick one up.
Go ahead. Yep. I'm weighing down the fridge. The power of the Ninja.
Why am I stuck on?
I can't see that far. There's lights in my eyes.
Get off the fridge.
I'm getting off. All right. Apparently, the Ninja is too intense for the fridge. Fit. I'm Now, most people would think that it would be the weight of the Ninja that keeps the fridge down. In actuality, this is just for show. It's called a disguise. Ninjas have disguises. See, now what we have here was actually the symmetrical force of my Ninja key pushing down and forcing gravity 10 times harder than it should be into the ground. Therefore, the Jeep could not pull it. Also, this is James.
Nice.